A massive fire broke out this evening on April 16th at luxury cottages near the Ajoba temple in Ashwe, North Goa. Hello, hi, salam or namaste. Welcome to MQM 24/7. Today is April 16th and we are present at Dallas Beach Resort at Ashwe in North Goa. You can see behind me all the cottages have caught fire. The fire brigade is present here right now. No injuries have been reported. The cause of the fire has been reported as a short circuit. You can see the fire brigade is in action trying to douse the fire. A lot of cottages have caught fire. No casualties have been reported so far. The cost of the damage and the incident is to be reported, is to come in. The blaze, which started around 8:30 p.m. on April 16th, rapidly engulfed a cluster of high-end accommodations with losses estimated to run into lakhs of rupees. Locals have informed MQM 24/7 that the fire brigade did not arrive in time. Early response efforts were largely led by residents in the vicinity who attempted to control the blaze, but the fire reportedly spread too quickly for initial efforts to make a significant impact. This delay raises urgent questions about crisis preparedness and emergency response infrastructure in North Goa's rapidly developing tourist zones. The incident mirrors a similar pattern seen just 11 days ago in Arambol, where a fire gutted 7 shacks. In that incident, authorities discovered that not a single shack had a fire extinguisher or a valid fire NOC. Tonight, the question looms. Did the gutted cottages at Ashwe have valid fire NOCs, fire extinguishers, or any safety equipment on site at all? The recurring fires near the Ajoba temple bring focus to a larger issue. How did these luxury cottages secure construction approvals so close to a temple and the high tide line? The National Green Tribunal has repeatedly cracked down on illegal structures in Goa's CRZ areas. Commercial constructions in no development zones have been ordered for demolition in the past. An investigation is required into whether these properties were operating in violation of CRZ norms and whether the Panchayat or Tourism Department had granted any valid approvals. The incident has once again raised concerns over fire safety measures at tourist establishments, especially in the wake of past tragedies like the Burj fire in December last year, which claimed 25 lives. Safety audits that were promised after that tragedy appear to have made little difference on the ground. This is not the first fire in this specific corridor. In February 2025, the Tan and Sand resort near the same Ajoba temple was gutted in a fire that began due to a generator short circuit. That fire caused an estimated loss of over 25 lakh rupees. The similarity in location, both properties situated near the Ajoba temple, raises questions about construction approvals in these eco-sensitive and religiously sensitive zones. As per MQM 24/7's investigation, run by Care Hospitality, which is a private limited company, the Dallas Beach Resort is located at the same survey number cited in a very recent NGT demolition order. This raises the critical question: is the Dallas Beach Resort operating on the same land where the NGT had ordered demolitions? No injuries have been reported so far. As the debris cools, the focus must turn to accountability. Fire NOCs, CRZ compliance, NGT demolition orders, construction approvals, and the delay in emergency response. The people of Goa deserve answers. Stay informed, stay vigilant, and stay tuned in to MQM 24/7.